Alright guys, welcome to Borehamwood. Alright, so I'm just going to have a look around here, and this is your test centre. Okay, so Sterling Court. So I'll have a little walk inside to give you an idea. I've got a video on this before, but it's quite an old one. Nothing's changed, to be honest. There we go. And then this is your entrance coming in, doors here. This is the only one that opens, that one's locked. So you walk in, lovely waiting room, nice and big. Okay, so you just take your seat anywhere you wish. And then if you need services, restroom, etc., bathroom, so they are through here. So you just walk through there and walk through this door, and that's where the bathrooms are, toilets in case. There you go. Hey Andy, you alright? Yeah, not bad. Yeah, things.
Walking tour.
Walking tour, yeah. You're just being miss being famous on YouTube. Well, you know, yeah. How's things, alright? Yeah. Still cold out there though.
It's cold in here.
Yeah, I know. See you in a bit. There you go, just speaking to one of the examiners there. That was the head examiner, but I don't want to put him on video. There you go. But yeah, now I'll take you out to the car park. Alright, which is just out there. So your test will start from here. General thing, what the examiners will say is, can you please show me your license? Okay, and then once they do that, they will get you to sign away 2 declarations, and then they will ask you, are you still at the same address, and is this your email address? Okay, so once you can change your email address if you wish, and if your address has changed, just tell them, and then they will say we'll deal with that at the end. All right, so that's that. And once you sign away, then the examiners will ask you, would you like your examiner to be present with you on your test? Not the examiner, the thingy-majig, what do you call it? my brain's gone. Do you want your instructor to be present on your test? Let me flip this around so I can see me. There you go. Hello everyone. So yeah, so they'll ask you at the start, read and sign the declaration, and then do you want your instructor to come on the test with you or accompany you on the test? And then you just have to say yes or no, and then they'll say, would you like them there at the end for the debrief? And then just ask them whether they want to or not. And usually it's a good thing if your instructor is there at the end, so then if there are any faults, they can kind of help you understand what mistakes you've made. So now we're going to head out to the car park. So we'll go out now in a second, and then the examiner will say, thank you, take me to your car. Do you have the keys with you? If you're in a private car, they'll ask you, do you have L plates and a mirror for them? And they will take you out. Once they take you out, let me flip the screen back again, 1 second. Ooh. Okay, so once they take you out, they're going to introduce themselves again properly, and they will ask you, what would you like me to call you? So they'll say, oh, my name is so-and-so, and what would you like me to call you? So then they'll come up to, say, around here, they'll ask you to read a number plate on one of the cars out here, and then once you've done that, they'll take you to the car park. This road's always busy. You've got the barriers here. If you are coming in, you're going to be pressing on the barriers, you're going to be pressing number 6 over here, okay, but that's about it. And then you walk through, the examiner's going to be with you. Examiners have a key fob anyway, so you don't have to worry about that if you're already on the driving test. And this is the car park, which I'm sure you guys have all seen on the videos anyway. Candidate section is only up to this point here. Do not park anywhere else, you get in trouble, and they get in trouble as well. And then these are all the bays you can use. Once you're in the bay, this is your view outwards, which you've seen on all the videos now. So that's the view there. Let me see if I can zoom in. And there we go. And then that's your test center up there. So when you come out, okay, let me just show you one more thing. You come out obviously through the barriers. The barriers automatically open. They never close on top of you, so never fear that. So once you come out of there, it's quite blind. You won't be able to see anything properly left or right. So I'll come around this way. Alright, and as you go through, there's a car coming there. So as you come through, I'll just wait till this car's gone. If I squeeze through here, so this is how you start. You come out here, and you cannot see. So on the videos you can't see anyway because the camera doesn't turn. So if I turn around here, clear view there, you can see nice and clearly. But if I turn here, look, you can't see anything because of this parked car. So you're gonna have to edge out while checking there again. and then check again, and then peek around this car, and then off you go again. And that's how you got to do it, and that's how you start your test. Okay, so just be mindful of that. It's very blind. They will warn you, they will advise you to sort of take your time, and apart from that, it should be pretty straightforward. So that's a little tour. That's your Borehamwood Test Centre. Wish you guys all the best. Good luck.